Right, one thing I've just quickly noticed is I've got this message here. Windows 7, this copy of Windows is not genuine when it originally was. Is that a thing because I've changed the hard drive? That's really interesting. Let's see if it's done a load to Windows. Yep, there we go. Got my two desktops back. Screen's having a bit of a spaz, or is that the same over here? Yeah. Should recognise that. Plex. I've got a bit of a server in the next room. I may even go jellyfin, because that's more reliable offline. Right, let's see if we've got all the drivers installed. Okay. None of the buttons are working. That's all highlighting. That's all highlighting. It's having to think. Right, I'll do some tests, make sure all my personal settings and my passwords and everything like that's still there. And I'll be back once I've had a look through, and then we'll do the Windows 10 update.